We are at the University of Fort Hare Alice Campus, and we're here today to try and nurture the students, in particular the final years and the third year students of the University of Fort Hare. This is what we call a halfway journey towards the work readiness.
What inspired today to have this workshop is the idea of getting the students ready for the workplace. The alumni of the University of Fort Hare are here to lead by example and also provide their skills and expertise to the students. We have several categories that are going to be in the workshop today. It is leadership in the workplace, communication and interview skills. We also have a career counselor that is going to assist in shaping their mindset or mental health when they go into the workplace.
When it comes to developing skills to find work in a highly competitive job market, it's highly recommended that you learn to become mentally tough. Learn skills that make you tough. Become flexible in your thinking, because it takes a lot of long-term persistence to find work. You basically have to take the pray and spray approach by sending your CVs to as many places as you can. I would highly recommend you get very good at social media, because there are a lot of apps that can help you expand your job searching activities online. Don't put undue pressure on yourself. Don't think to yourself, I must find work, because that makes a bad situation worse. And encourage yourself that you know it's hard to find work, but you will if you keep on persisting.
My presentation is about leadership in the workplace. It is my view that students must understand that when you are in leadership, it's very critical that you must have emotional intelligence, which is very sound. As a leader, it helps you to ensure that you engage everyone in the process of decision making. You may find that because of the dominance of the leader, others may not feel comfortable to participate in actually taking decisions that may build the future of the institution.
The workshop of this nature is the workshop that we as young people and students, postgraduates, we've been actually looking for, you see.
From the workshop, there are a lot of things that I took out of the workshop, and I took how you answer questions, because there were many controversial questions that I didn't know how to tackle when asked. But now I think, for instance, the issue of remuneration, when you're asked how much are you expected to get in a job. So now I think I got a better understanding of how to approach that question.
Today I've learned how to participate in an interview, and also there were certain things that I didn't know about Department of Labor, but I think it was a great opportunity for us, so that when next year we go out to the working world, we know what to do and what to expect.
I think one thing that I learned is from Mr. Katurira, who was just speaking about teamwork, explaining how it's not just about an individual, but understanding that each person has a different contribution to the teamwork that's at hand. And so as a team, we are all a fruit salad. And so I feel it helped me to elevate, even not only as a team member, but also as a leader.